Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we've ended up with a fairly strong bearish bar, and that just adds fuel to my flag fire at the moment. Oscillators are starting to cross over. You can see the first stochastic is crossed over. We need the next one to cross over, and more importantly, the stochastic MACD is still below the zero line. So this is telling me it's a retracement. We've hit the retracement level and possibly a turn here. Anything can still happen. We can probably bounce here as well. But futures market right now is down on 0.6% right now. My broker is offline right now, so I don't know where the charts are at this stage, but I think we can pretty much see what's transpiring here. So we're in a bigger flag on the 3 hour. We have a bit of a head and shoulders here. Okay, you can either say that that is a shoulder, there's a head and a little shoulder, or you could say there's a shoulder, there's a head, there's a shoulder, or you could say there's a cup and there's a handle. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. The point is that is area of consolidation. That's our area of consolidation, and we're expecting a break to the downside, which is pretty much going to give us a target of something like that. These tails here line up, and we'll look to the left, so that's 22,425, and you can see that is the next swing low. Okay, so that's pretty much my view right now. Not much else is going to change my view on that at the moment. This is the downward trend right now. There are going to be some areas where there can be some profit taking, and obviously the first area that we need to get through is this swing low here of 23,077. Now, if I look at the future market right now, we are 23,244 right now. 23,244. You'll see exactly where we are. Let's see, 215. So we are sort of hovering here at the close, a little bit lower. Yeah, so we're sort of just hovering on this level at the bottom here. Okay, so this is obviously a level we need to get through. So the first one, I would say, is going to be that swing low, then the swing low needs to get taken out, and then that should basically break the upward trend line, which is going to break the wedge, and then expect a little bit of a consolidation or an attempt to break back into that trend line and a rejection off it, and then we should get moving with a bit of a bigger move to the downside. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm looking for, and nothing really else to add to that. There are three levels you need to look out for: 22,206 firstly, then 23,145, and then 23,077. Breakout through those levels will give you confirmation of a bigger move down, but do expect some volatility in amongst these levels. So I am pretty much short and going to wait this one out for a while now. Basically going to be looking at trading a bigger time frame, and that is my first target area. Okay, 22,425. Okay, anyway guys, that's pretty much it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.